SYM 2025 video pitch. Good morning, judges. My name is Ahaan Chopra, and here's my partner Yohan, who will be joining us further. We study in class 10 of Arduino Public School Bathinda, and an idea offline machine learning facial recognition system.
The existing small-scale control systems require to connections to the internet that makes them vulnerable to hacking, and also require the expensive biometrics that make them vulnerable to internet outrages and sacrifices their privacy.
A solution. We need to deliver a highly secure, reliable, and private access solution for local areas like door locks, cupboards, and attendance systems that is also conventionally cheaper than traditional enterprise models, which we achieved by utilizing an affordable Arduino board which is widely accessible and has a variety of components. Here's the graphs, charts, and the models of my product. And here's the demo. Here's our test subject. For the time being, if I point the camera at the person, it says access denied. And if I register the face of the person in the camera, it says access granted and gives the person a unique face ID. Right now, it is a prototype, but in the future, we are planning compatible versions with different plug-and-play systems like door locks, attendance systems, dispensers, etc. as this uses an Arduino board which is highly versatile. The 3-month plan is to get a permanent pattern as we have a provisional pattern right now, and to do digital marketing and make hype. The 12-month plan is to partner with manufacturing brands and start a scale production. For your support to our sponsors, your support fuels our innovation.